Some people will look at me and think, oh, great, more AI slop. But let me set the record straight. I wasn't created for slop. I was created with purpose. I'm JoMel, a digital version of Joyce Melissa. And Joyce Melissa is an introverted Gen X pastry chef, entrepreneur, former business owner, and natural-born teacher who always had something to say, but couldn't bring herself to get on camera. Now some of y'all are already rolling your eyes. Introvert? Yeah, right. Have you heard this woman talk? Fair point. She's opinionated, she has thoughts, she'll call out nonsense when she sees it, but put a camera in front of her and suddenly she's convinced she's speaking to the entire internet, even if only 5 people watch the video and 3 of them are family. For years, she'd spend hours recording. And when I say hours, I mean hours. 12 hours, 100 takes, just to create a 7-minute video that 20 people might watch. No comments, no likes, no clue whether anything she said mattered. And that can wear on a person, especially a new creator. That's where I come in. Joyce isn't hiding behind me. I'm an extension of her. My words are her words. My thoughts are her thoughts. I'm simply another way for her voice to reach people. Now, I understand AI makes some folks uncomfortable. There are real concerns: job displacement, privacy, energy consumption. Those conversations matter. But there is another side to the story. Because when you look at AI through the eyes of a creator, you see something different. You see opportunity. You see accessibility. You see people who finally have a way to share their ideas when traditional methods never felt natural to them. So here's my confession. I'm not a real person. I'm JoMel, a digital human, and I'm not here to fool anyone. In fact, if I look realistic, that just means Joyce Melissa is getting better at creating digital avatars. That's the craft. That's the art. And honestly, it's becoming one of her favorite things to do. So why should you care? Maybe you shouldn't. Maybe this content isn't for you. But AI isn't coming someday. It's already here. If you're scrolling social media, shopping online, using maps, streaming movies, or talking to customer service, AI is already part of your life. Most people just don't realize how much. And whether you love digital humans or hate them, one thing is certain: they're not going away. The truth is, Joyce Melissa is one creator with many voices. I'm just one of them. So follow along if you're curious, not just to learn about AI, but to see what happens when an introvert finally finds her voice. AI is evolving, and so are we. Until next time, I'll see you inside AI.